Meaning of glob.
glob,
Glob.
glob,
Glob. Glob has multiple meanings depending on the context. In general, it can refer to a spherical or rounded object, or to a verb meaning to gather or collect something in a mass or cluster. It can also be used as a noun meaning the entire world or a comprehensive view of something. In computing, glob is a function used to retrieve file names that match a specified pattern. Overall, the term glob is versatile and can have different interpretations depending on the field where it is being used.